10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Is it possible to make enough money to do Microstock full-time? What do you have to do for it to get there? What better way to answer that question than to show you my 2025 as a Microstock contributor? Taking a jump in the cold water represents leaving the stable income of a 9-to-5 job. I jumped in the water in 2025 and went all in on Microstock and YouTube. I quit my 9-to-5 job on August 15, 2025. How did I get to this point? My Microstock earnings went from making $11,000 in 2022 to $21,800 in 2023. And to $32,478 in 2024. Welcome back to the channel. My name is Hugo and I'm a full-time Microstock contributor. Microstock brought me to more than 12 countries in 2025. My Microstock journey brought me to castles. It showed me major industry. Made me notice that the world at some places becomes more sustainable. It showed me what mankind can build in terms of infrastructure. Microstock made me explore beautiful nature. Microstock made me explore the world and made me income enough to quit my job. In January 2025, my portfolio was made up of about 20,281 files. 60% were videos, 25% illustrations, and 50% photos. I grew my portfolio from 20,000 files to about 23,500 files at the end of 2025. 90% of those were videos, the rest photos. I spent a lot of time behind my computer editing and uploading files. In 2025, I contributed to 13 Microstock agencies. On 11 of those, I made more than last year. My best month was November 2025, with $6,554.45. In 2025, I made a total amount of over $47,000. The DJI Mavic 3 was upgraded into the DJI Mavic 4. The DJI Avata 2 stayed the DJI Avata 2, waiting for the DJI Avata 360 to be released. The Sony a6700 was replaced by the DJI Osmo Pocket 3. This YouTube channel grew. I reached over 1,000 subscribers, today almost 1,800. I discovered new ways to make money in the world of AI video trading. Welcome, Troveo. I read there are many deals coming up in 2026. If you want to join and earn, contact me. I also drove all over Europe on the most beautiful roads. A crucial lesson in 2025 is that Microstock income is predictable. My Microstock earnings showed this once more. But you have to put in the work. Keep traveling, keep investing, keep working, keep uploading. I'm excited to see what 2026 will bring. See you next year.